It's Thursday night, and this means just one thing. It's Live Lounge. St. Luke's Sound live in the Bradford studio, supporting local bands and singers in and around the Yorkshire area. Get ready, here it comes.
It certainly does, and we've had one song, and that was absolutely incredible. One of my favourite acts so far. How are we doing, Taylor? You okay?
Yes, good, thank you.
Fantastic. Love that first one. Got some great feedback for you as well. It's incredible. So the second song coming up, what's the song?
Warwick Avenue by Duffy.
I'm just going to leave it to you. All yours. Enjoy.
You.
Wow, on Celebrity Bake Off, Paul Hollywood gets up and always shakes their hand when they've done an incredible job. And if I was Paul Hollywood, your hand would be shaking right now.
Playing the very best music that's allowed on the air. Carl Mott live in the Bradford studio. This is St. Luke's Sound.